Ductless mini split.
That would be a number 2. It's fairly inexpensive, between $8,000 to $20,000, but it's not the absolute cheapest option.
Premium efficiency smart system.
That would be a 5. It's very, very expensive, but if you like luxury, that's the one you're going with.
Central split systems.
That would be a number 3 because it's not too cheap or expensive, between $12,000 or $22,000.
High efficiency heat pump systems.
That would be a number 4 because it's pretty pricey, between $14,000 and $25,000. But here in California, that's the way to go. So keep on getting those heat pumps.
Mid-level central AC furnace.
That would be a number 1. It's your cheapest options, ranging between $8,000 and $15,000, and it goes throughout your whole home, so you get comfortable air throughout.